Let's break down the useEffect hook once and for all. useEffect hook is used to manage side effects in React. First, let's break down what we mean by side effects. In React, side effects are any actions that occur outside the component itself, such as updating the browser DOM, making API calls, or setting timeouts. The useEffect hook is a way to perform side effects inside a functional component in React. The basic syntax for useEffect looks like this. The useEffect hook takes a function as its argument. This function is called the effect function, and it's where you put your side effect code. For example, let's say you wanted to fetch data from an API when your component is first rendered. This code will fetch data from API/data and log it to the console. In addition to the effect function, you can also pass an array of dependencies to useEffect. Dependencies are used to specify when the effect should be rerun. For example, if you have a component that depends on some state and you want to refetch data from an API whenever that state changes, you can pass that state as a dependency. In this code, the count state is passed as a dependency to useEffect. This means that whenever the count state changes, the useEffect will rerun and the API will be called with the new count. If you don't want your effect to run every time a dependency changes, for example, if you only want your effect to run once when the component is first rendered, you can pass an empty array as a second argument. You can also use useEffect to clean up after your side effect. For example, if you are subscribing to a WebSocket, you can use useEffect to unsubscribe when the component is unmounted. In this code, we are creating a WebSocket and subscribing to its message event. We are also returning a function from our effect, which will be called when the component is unmounted. This function will unsubscribe from the message event and close the WebSocket. Overall, useEffect is a powerful and flexible tool for managing side effects in React. By using it effectively, you can keep your components clean and easy to reason about, while still being able to interact with the outside world.